Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Destiny here, and today's video is going to be all about how to properly set dark skin. And when I say properly, I don't mean this is the only way, but it's definitely an effective way. So first of all, we're going to start out with a fresh face of foundation. Setting your foundation is important for its longevity, and it also helps to prevent transfer. Okay, so starting out, I'm going to go in with the Laura Mercier powder, and I will have all details in the bottom bar as to what color and different things like that. I'm using this powder, first of all, to convert my foundation from liquid to powder, and I feel like this is a really important step before going and doing anything else to your face. First, turn the foundation from liquid to powder. This is going to help with any other product that you may use that's powder. If you have any more liquid products that you want to use, you're going to want to use these first. After converting your foundation, you're going to go on and you're going to bake. I am using Dermablend in Warm Saffron to bake under my eye area, and this is going to help with the look and the longevity of my makeup. I'm doing this after the soft set because if you apply a baking powder to freshly yellow concealer or whatever the case may be and you have dark skin, chances are it may over oxidize on you. So definitely do this after your soft set. Your soft set can be translucent or colored, but I used a softly translucent colored powder, and I'm using a color on top in the center to bake to intensify my highlights and to keep dimension in my face. Now I'm going in with a slightly brighter powder, a banana powder, to intensify my highlights, and this is to add a little bit more dimension and a tiny bit more setting capability. Now this is an optional step. You don't have to do that, but I do like to do this. It really gives a really well beat dimensional face. So now I'm going in with another translucent powder. This is Dermablend in Cool Beige, and this is what I'm using to brush away my bake and to blend out any edges of demarcation, any areas that need to be blended further before doing my contour. Now I'm going to go in with my contour. This is not only going to serve as a set, but this is also going to intensify my contours. It's going to bring depth back to my face, so my face is not one flat, matte color and intensity. You know, that's one thing that will make your face look heavy and beat and really pancakey is if you don't have the dimension to your face still. So pop those cheekbones and make that jaw a little bit more defined with your contour. The powder is going to blend really, really well together because of the proper steps that you took. Now you're gonna go in and balance out your contour. You don't have to fully contour your nose, but adding shadow in that area is gonna help. If you don't, you'll notice that you feel like your nose looks bigger because everything was contoured except your nose. So now we're going in and we're illuminating the hollows, areas of your face that may need a little bit more light, such as around your mouth. The final step is finishing powders. I feel like these are the most improperly used powders. These are not setting powders. I have one color and one translucent. The color powder I'm going to use is from Laura Mercier, and finishing powders add an effect. This one's going to give some glow, some light reflection to my face, and some pore minimizing. That's what I love about a good finishing powder. It's that final step before your setting spray. It's the thing that's going to bring everything together and give you that healthy glow. It is an optional step, but that is how you use setting powder, and this is how I set my face. I hope this was helpful. I will have more videos in the bottom bar for you guys to check out about the powders I prefer and the difference between setting powder and finishing powder. As always, guys, I want to thank you so much for commenting, rating, and subscribing. I'll be in touch, and hopefully you'll do the same. Bye, guys.